Welcome to this overview of the Optimal Portfolio Builder. I'm going to show you how you can build an asset allocation in less than 5 minutes using the Portfolio Builder. Step one is to pick an asset allocation model, and you can select from among a number of expert allocations. Let's pick Swenson, for example, and you see here's the performance over 1 year, 5 years, 10 years, 15 years based on research data series. Here's the period of time that those figures come from. And the high-level asset allocation of that model is U.S. developed countries, emerging countries, real estate investment trusts, and commodities. The next step is to pick a fixed income percentage. And generally speaking, the older you get, the bigger this number should be. In this case, let's say that I'm 45. A good suggestion would be to try your age minus 10, so I'm going to pick 35%. The next step, the third step, is to specify how much money are in your accounts. And let's say I have $300,000 in my taxable account, and I have, let's say, $250,000 in my IRA. You can see down here the total market value of $550,000 for the portfolio. That's covering the sum of both accounts. The next step is to select a fund family, and we've got 4 choices here. Let's pick Vanguard. And now I click Finish. And what you see here are the asset classes, the target percentages. That's based on the model that we selected, Swenson, as well as the fixed income percentage. You can see that I have 2 asset classes here related to fixed income securities or bonds. In this case, since I put money into the account and the rebalancer invested those funds according to the target percentages. In this case, the current percentages will equal the target percentages. My 2, you can see here in the taxable account has funds invested in 4 of the asset classes, and 4 different asset classes are invested in the IRA. I can then view trades to produce this asset allocation, and since I put money in, there's no sales that the rebalancer generated. These are strictly buys. I think there's a total of 4 buys for the taxable account, and you can see these are the symbols of the Vanguard funds that it recommended, and the amounts for each one of those for those securities or mutual funds in this case, mutual funds or exchange traded funds. The security name is here, the tax efficiency, as well as the asset class. And there's 4 trades also purchases in the IRA. So for a total of 8 trades, 4 in the taxable, 4 in the IRA. And I can also export this into a file that is readable by Excel. It produces a CSV file that Excel can read. And that's, we've done our job. We've created an asset allocation in less than 5 minutes. Thank you for your time.